Here's a woodpecker.
Yeah.
Woodpecker right here. Just chilling like a villain in this virus we're living in. Look at him.
Looking around.
Just chilling. Doesn't know what to do. I don't know.
They got the eyes.
Look at him.
He sees around, see.
Yeah.
He hears when you talk about him. He knows you're talking about him.
Yeah, he sees everything. He's watching every move. Excuse me.
Yeah, his beak is pretty big.
Yeah. He just itching himself. It's a Friday on this virus day.
No, he's looking around.
Oh, he left. What a day. Okay, we'll clear it out from there. We'll clear it out. Peace out, everyone.